We're trying to get the starter going on this 2000 GMC 6500 Topkick. Okay, this is the gasoline engine, and over here on the passenger side there's this relay right here, and I just replaced that, and it wasn't wanting to start the engine. So what I did is I tapped into this particular positive, and if I do that, let me see what the tester's doing. Okay, so my tester is blinking red, which means 12 volts. So that's coming up here on the red feed. The problem is there's not enough 12 volts coming in there. There must be some bad wiring, probably over there where somebody had already done some repairs. But anyway, if I take this jumper cable here, which is going right to the battery, and I hook it to this tap here, and then try to start it, the truck will have enough current to turn on the starter solenoid. So I've just identified that my controls, wiring, the yellow is the ground and the little purple is the control. That is activating the relay, and the red should be connecting to the purple. And so that didn't seem to have enough power going through it. More to come. What I also tried to do is I took out the relay and I took a little jumper wire and I put it from the thick red one to the thick purple one, and it would not start the vehicle. So that told me that the red, it was most likely the problem. I did take 12 volts and shove it into the purple. It did start the starter. The jumper across the red to the purple did not. So that's when I tapped in a localized 12 volt source on the red, and with the relay in, it did start the car. So that means going backwards on this red, there is some problems that I've got to discover here. So anyway, that's some debugging on the starter relay on this Topkick. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.